inkproducts.com has now released a lot of new refill kits for the new Epson printers. Now, we released it for the T702 cartridge, the T288 cartridge, and the T220 cartridge, plus we'll have other videos for the other models. Now, these are simple to fill cartridges, very simple, clear, and by the way, the chips are XXL, and the cartridges themselves will hold 12 milliliters of ink. Very simple to do. To replace the chip, you just slide it off, and then you slide the new one on. And when you get the refill kit, because you're going to get all the Ultra Pro True Color pigment inks, that's what that printer takes, the Door Bright type ink. Now, I always make up a little box here when I do refilling, you know, because it's simple. And then again, I mark the syringes. You're going to get a syringe for every color. Now, also, I want to point this out. It says discard after use. Pay no attention to that. That's only if you're using blood, and we're not using blood. These are veterinarian syringes. So don't wash them out either, because you'll damage the plunger. Our ink can stay in the syringes. It won't clog it. Our ink cannot and will not clog your printhead. But it's just very simple to fill them. When the chip shows that it's empty or it's done, needs to be replaced just like an Epson, take it out, fill it up, slide on a new chip, and you're all set to go. Now, I use a little box, or if you don't want to do that, you can get a little clamp to hold it like that. The reason is I don't want to knock it over as I'm filling it up. And I sometimes pour my ink in a little cup, but the syringes tips are so long that you'll go right into the bottle. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. But I make this little thing up, makes it more convenient. Like I said, the chip will just slide on. When you open up the kit, you're going to get the ink. These are the refillable cartridges. These three printers, they all use the same design cartridge. And then we give you an extra set of chips. So you're going to get a set of chips on the cartridges and an extra set. And then you can go on our website and buy whatever color chip you want. Mostly black is what people buy. But like I said, it just slides off and slides on. You don't have to do anything. No glue and no nothing. So like I said, every kit that you get, and by the way, we check every chip so we know everything is working. You're not going to have any problems. Then when you get the instructions, and this one is a very simple one page. Tells you how to fill a cartridge and shows you how to slide the chip off. Like I said, it's very basic, very basic. And then it'll say, when you first put them in, it'll say, you have not installed genuine Epson cartridges. That's got to be there because we can't claim that they're genuine Epson cartridges. Just press OK and continue. So now if I were to fill it, I'd take out the front plug. There's a front little plug right there. You take that out. And then you're going to fill it up, put it back in. No priming. You don't have to prime. You don't have to do anything. It's very simple. So go to inkproducts.com for ink refill kits that work. And in the refill kit, you get everything. You get everything you need to be successful at refilling.